Hello there, this is your lovely Bay. Welcome to 5 Minute English with the Bay. This is my very first episode of a very first podcast. I'm super excited. I decided to do this podcast for two reasons. Number one, for my lovely students. They travel all the way from their countries to Canada and want to have a nice life here and to be successful. However, the language has been a barrier for them. So they came to class every day, 2 hours a day, 4 to 5 days a week. But that's not enough to learn a language, not fast enough, right? So I thought, well, I can help you. I'll go find some free resources for my students. But the difficult part is I need to find a good level for them, right? So you don't want to be too fast and you also don't want to be too slow. So it is very challenging. Then I found perfect levels, then the content seems a little bit less fun. Okay, then I found a content that is pretty nice, but then the narration sounds like a robot. Imagine Google Translate talking to you, right? So there's no intonation. So then I thought, hey, why not have our own podcast? Right? We chat, we talk in class, we can come up with some ideas, fun, interesting things, and do that. Right? So that is a nice way for us to have a free resource to practice listening, speaking, even reading. So here we go. Then I have this idea. Then the second reason is for myself, not trying to be selfish, but for myself. Okay, I do this podcast to practice my public speaking. I don't really have major issues with my speaking skills, maybe occasionally, but not really a big issue. But I do have a problem when it comes to public speaking. When I'm nervous, I speak really fast. Even my students say, Teacher, you're too fast. I can't understand you. So I was thinking, well, why not use this opportunity to practice my own speaking, my own public speaking, and see how that goes. And here we go. Welcome to my 5 minute English with the Bay. In this podcast, I'm not only talking about how to speak. Wow, you probably have learned a lot of skills about how to speak, how to pronounce, how to get rid of your accent. But seriously, do you know what to talk about? Right? That is the important part. You have the skill, you have the tool, but ideas, right? So you need to talk about something there, right? So in this podcast, I want to help you find ideas, find the content, find things you want to talk about with other people, and I want you to become able to deliver and express yourself and give the message to other people. Get your ideas out. So that's why you're listening to this podcast. So stay tuned for the next episode. Bye.